Welcome to this in-depth review of Bitwarden Premium, where I'll take you through my personal experience with this password manager and help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's begin with the basics. Bitwarden is a cloud-based password manager that provides both a free and premium version. While the free version offers great features, today, we're going to focus on the premium version and see if the extra cost is justified. To start, Bitwarden Premium offers a lot more than just the basics. It includes advanced features such as 2FA, two-factor authentication, options, increased storage for encrypted file attachments, and priority customer support. One of the standout features of Bitwarden Premium is its secure password generator, which allows you to create long and complex passwords that are nearly impossible to crack. As I navigated through the app, I found it really easy to use, especially with the browser extensions and mobile apps. Bitwarden integrates seamlessly across devices, so you can access your passwords on your phone, tablet, or desktop without any hassle. I've been using it on my daily devices, and it truly keeps my login information secure, which is a huge plus for me. The process of storing and organizing passwords in Bitwarden Premium is efficient. It uses a simple, yet effective interface that helps you manage your credentials without feeling overwhelmed. In terms of security, Bitwarden's end-to-end encryption ensures that your data is safe, and only you can access your information. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In terms of pricing, Bitwarden Premium is very affordable compared to other password managers. At just a few dollars a year, it's a great deal for anyone who needs more than what the free version can offer. The value it provides makes it an attractive choice for both individuals and businesses looking to enhance their password management strategy. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. For one, while the basic features of Bitwarden are great, the premium version doesn't include features like advanced biometric login or any extra identity theft protection. Additionally, the user interface, while functional, could use some improvement in terms of overall design and user experience. Overall, Bitwarden Premium is a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their password security. If you're willing to spend a small amount annually for extra features and enhanced support, this could be the password manager for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated on the latest reviews.